Ladies, you are not a rehab for second offenders. You are not a halfway house for broken promises. You are not a second chance for someone who never learned from the first. Stop letting people break you. Say sorry, come back, break you again, just because they call it love. Stop letting people. That's not love. That's manipulation. Dressed in, I miss you, I love you. If they hurt you once and came back with the same habits, the same lies, that's not love. The same emotional roller coaster, that's not a mistake. That's a pattern. And you are not their emotional hospital. Ladies, you are not their soft place. Crash every little life gets hard. Let them go. You're not their soft place to crash. Every time life gets hard, let them go. Heal in peace. Don't take in projects. Build yourself. Ladies, we take on too much project. Come, let us build ourselves. Because the real one, he won't need a rehab. He'll come ready, not wounded. So ladies, the point I want to highlight, you're not a rehab for second offenders. Secondly, don't take on any projects. Build yourself. And you're not a hospital for wounded